Welcome to this insightful discussion about two of the most fascinating and exotic fruits in the world, longan and lychee. Both belong to the soapberry family, Sapindaceae, and while they share similarities, they also boast unique traits that set them apart. In this exploration, we'll uncover their differences, health benefits, ideal growing conditions, and even hidden benefits that may surprise you. Differences between longan and lychee. Let's start with the differences. Though longan and lychee are often mistaken for one another, they have distinct characteristics. Longan is smaller with a thin light brown shell. When peeled, it reveals a translucent, juicy flesh encasing a single glossy black seed that looks like an eye. This is why it's often called dragon's eye. Lychee, on the other hand, has a rough, spiky red shell. It's slightly larger than longan, with a flesh that's also translucent but firmer. Longan has a mild sweetness with floral undertones. Its flavor is subtle, often described as honey-like. Lychee is sweeter and more tart, with a vibrant, fruity flavor that's more pronounced. Their texture. Both fruits have juicy flesh, but lychee is firmer, while longan is softer and silkier in texture. Lychee is typically harvested in late spring to early summer. Longan, on the other hand, comes later, often available in late summer to early fall. These differences make each fruit a unique experience for the senses. Health benefits of lychee. Now let's talk about the health benefits of lychee, the vibrant and tangy fruit. Rich in nutrients, lychee is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's particularly high in vitamin C. Just 1 cup of lychee can provide over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, boosting your immune system. Copper supports red blood cell production. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Antioxidant powerhouse. Lychee contains powerful antioxidants, including polyphenols such as epicatechin, which help reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. Skin health. The vitamin C in lychee promotes collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Digestive support. Lychee contains dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. Heart health. The potassium in lychee helps maintain heart health by regulating blood pressure and improving circulation. May prevent cancer. Studies suggest that lychee contains compounds like flavonoids and oligonol, which have anti-cancer properties. These compounds may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Boosts energy. The natural sugars in lychee make it an excellent source of quick energy, perfect for athletes or anyone needing a pick-me-up. Ideal growing conditions for lychee. Lychee is a tropical fruit tree that thrives under specific conditions, the climate in which they grow best. Lychee requires a warm, humid climate. It grows best in tropical and subtropical regions, where the temperatures remain between 20 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It needs a short cool period to flower, but frost can harm the tree. Soil requirements. Lychee thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. The soil should be rich in organic matter to support healthy growth. Growth period. Lychee trees typically take 3 to 5 years to bear fruit when grown from a grafted plant. If grown from seed, it may take 10 years and over. Regions. Lychee is commonly grown in China, India, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. It's also cultivated in parts of Africa, the Caribbean, and Florida in the United States. Let's explain the beautiful fruit called longan. Health benefits of longan. Now let's move on to longan, the smaller and subtler cousin of lychee. Boosts immunity. Like lychee, longan is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps ward off colds and infections. Improves skin health. The antioxidants in longan help fight free radicals, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting healthy skin. Slow down aging a bit. Supports eye health. Longan contains riboflavin, a B vitamin that supports healthy vision and prevents eye disorders. Aids in relaxation. Longan is often used in traditional Chinese medicine to reduce stress, calm the nerves, and promote better sleep. Improves blood circulation. Longan is believed to enhance blood circulation, which can improve energy levels and overall vitality. Anti-aging properties. The fruit's antioxidants help slow down the aging process by protecting cells from oxidative damage. Ideal growing conditions for longan. Like lychee, longan is a tropical fruit tree, but it has slightly different requirements. Climate. Longan grows well in warm, humid climates with temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It can tolerate drier conditions than lychee. Soil requirements. Longan thrives in well-drained sandy or loamy soils with a pH of 5.5 to 6.0. It doesn't tolerate waterlogging. Growth period. Longan trees take around 4 to 6 years to bear fruit from a grafted plant. Regions. Longan is native to China and Southeast Asia and is now grown in places like Thailand, India, Vietnam, and parts of Australia and the United States. Hidden health benefits of longan and lychee. Both longan and lychee offer some hidden health benefits that are worth highlighting. Cancer prevention. Both fruits contain antioxidants and polyphenol that may help prevent cancer by reducing oxidative stress and inhibiting tumor growth. Brain health. Longan is often used in traditional medicine to improve memory and cognitive function. The fruit is believed to nourish the nervous system and enhance mental clarity. Weight management. Both fruits are low in calories and high in water content, making them excellent choices for weight loss or maintenance. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in these fruits help reduce inflammation, which is linked to chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Other unique fruits from the soapberry family. The soapberry family has more to offer than just longan and lychee. Some other fascinating fruits include rambutan, a spiky red fruit similar to lychee but with a slightly tangy flavor. Polyphenols, a rarer cousin of rambutan, known for its sweet taste and thick flesh. Both longan and lychee are exotic, nutrient-packed fruits with unique characteristics and incredible health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve your skin, or simply enjoy a delicious and refreshing treat, these fruits are excellent choices. If you're a gardener or farmer, growing these fruits can be highly rewarding, provided you live in the right climate and have the appropriate soil conditions. And for those who enjoy learning about lesser-known health benefits, the cancer preventive and brain-boosting properties of these fruits make them even more valuable. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of longan and lychee. If you've never tried these fruits, I encourage you to give them a taste. They might just become your new favorites. And thanks for watching.